In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build smart forms with adaptive cards in Copilot Studio. We're going to walk through the basic setup for creating a form experience inside your bot so you can collect information from users in a structured, interactive way. Adaptive cards are especially useful because they let you present fields, prompts, and actions in a clean format that feels much more polished than plain text questions. To get started, open your Copilot Studio dashboard and select the bot where you want to add the smart form. This is important because the form logic will live inside that specific bot, so make sure you're working in the correct environment before you begin. Once you're inside the bot, go to the Topics tab on the left-hand menu and create a new topic to hold your form logic. Keeping your form in its own topic makes things easier to manage, especially if you plan to expand the bot later or reuse the flow for similar scenarios. Next, add a message node to the authoring canvas. After that, click on the Add Node icon to open the component menu. This is where you'll choose the type of interaction you want the bot to send. From the available options, select Send an Adaptive Card. This opens the card designer where your smart form will be created. In the card editor, paste or write your adaptive card JSON code to define the form layout and input fields. This is the part that controls what the user sees, including text boxes, drop-downs, labels, and buttons. Be careful to keep your JSON well structured because even small formatting issues can prevent the card from rendering properly. After the card is in place, map the input fields from your adaptive card to new or existing bot variables. This step allows Copilot Studio to capture the user's responses so you can reference them later in the conversation. Clear variable naming can help a lot here, especially if your form includes several fields. Then add a condition node to check whether the user completed the required fields correctly before moving forward. This helps you validate the form and avoid continuing the conversation with missing or incomplete information. It's a simple but important way to make your bot feel smarter and more reliable. Finally, save your topic and use the Test Bot panel on the right to preview your smart form in action. Testing lets you confirm that the card displays correctly, the fields capture data as expected, and your condition logic works the way you intended. That's all you need to know to start building smart forms with adaptive cards in Copilot